Welcome my people to AfrikaBibleTori. Una don land for the correct place where we dey break Bible tori wey don last from generation to generation into sweet pidgin tori. My name na Rebecca. Today, I go dey carry una enter one chapter for inside Bible for Genesis chapter 4. If you think say na today family wahala start, abeg make you think again. Dis na the tori of two brothers wey decide say make dem give God offering. But the next thing wey happen after that na shocking news wey go make you open your mouth no fit close am again. But how to know the full tori na to wait till the end of this gist o. So sit back, relax as I go dey yarn una the tori of Cain and Abel Palava. After Adam and Eve settle for outside the Garden of Eden, dem start life for the outside world. Eve born her first pikin, she name am Cain. She say, na Baba God help me born this pikin. After some time, she born another pikin, dem name the second one Abel. When dem grow up, Abel become shepherd, he dey take care of animals. Cain choose farming, dey hustle for ground. One day, Cain and Abel decide say make dem give offering to God. Cain carry wetin him like comot from farm, yam wey no too get skin like that, and plantain wey don nearly spoil finish, and some other things. But e be like say e no pick the better ones. While Abel bring some of him firstborn fat sheep, arrange the correct ones wey make sense, wey poof like bread wey dem soak for water. That is to say dem correct for better suya Gree. Baba God look the two offering. Abel own sweet am for belle. Baba God smile. But for Cain own, e no too sweet Baba God like that. Cain come vex, scatter. He do face like person wey dem stone hot eba. Vex wey fit scatter person head. Baba God ask Cain, Oga, wetin happen? Why your face change? If you do wetin good, I no go accept am. But if you no do well, sin dey your door dey wait for you like agbero. You gats control am o. Cain no talk anything o, but he plan bad thing for mind. So one day he tell Abel, bro, make we waka go field. As Abel follow am, na so Cain rush am, knack am for ground, gbam! Finish him brother, kill Abel. And na the first time wey Bible record say person kill him brother be that. Baba God call Cain, oh boy, where your brother? Cain, as a sharp guy, now begin form like say he no know anything. He say, how I go know? Shey I be my brother bodyguard? Baba God para, say wetin you do so. Your brother blood dey cry from ground come meet me. So now, I go drive you comot from the ground where you for kill your brother. The ground wey swallow your brother blood from your hand. Whenever you try to plant seed for the ground, e no go grow well for you. You go dey waka anyhow for this set like person wey no get house. Cain shout, ha! Chineke me! Baba God, my punishment don too much o. See, you dey pursue me from this land, and I must hide make you no see me. Anybody wey see me go kill me. But Baba God tell am, no worry. Anybody wey try kill you go collect woto 7 times punishment. God come put one special mark for Cain body like tattoo. So say anybody wey see am no go touch am. So Cain comot from Baba God front go north, wey dey east side of the Garden of Eden. Na so he begin waka up and down. Cain marry wife. How we take find wife na another tori. And dem born pikin Enoch. Cain build city and name am after his son Enoch. Enoch come born Irad, and Irad be Mehujel papa. Mehujel born Metushel, and na Metushel be Lamech papa. Lamech married 2 wives, and the first time wey person go marry 2 wives too be that for Bible. The first one name na Ada, the second one name na Zillah. Ada come born Jabal, and he dey among those wey be the first people wey play harp, a flute instrument. Zillah still born Cain wey dey melt iron, take make different tools like sword and knife from iron. Cain sister name na Nama. One day, Lamech tell him wives, Ada and Zillah, make una lis ten to me. Una wey be Lamech wife, make una hear wetin I wan talk. I don kill person because he wound me. I kill the young man because he make me vex. If 7 people go die because dem kill Cain, then 77 people go die if dem kill Lamech. Meanwhile, Adam and Eve still dey alive. Eve born another pikin wey replace Abel. Him name na Seth. She talk, God don give me another pikin since Cain kill Abel. Seth grow, born pikin wey dem call Enosh. Na that time, people come begin dey call God name well well. My people, this story teach us say na small sin dey born big sin. Make we learn to guide our heart and feelings to everything, so that we no go give room for wetin we no go fit handle. And make we dey always try to do wetin dey good and correct, because Baba God dey see everything. This na the end and complete chapter of the Tori o. Until next time.